Welcome to the K-Tec ADT Scraper Virtual Ride-Along. Sit in with K-Tec founder Ken Rempel and watch as he heaps a large load in the cut zone, smoothly drives along the haul road, and finally ejects the dirt in the fill area. Buckle up and experience the K-Tec massive advantage.
Okay, we're going to get pushed with an EST tractor here, loading shale dirt off the hill. Important when you're getting push loaded that you stay very consistent speed until you feel the bump. Just did right there. The scraper slightly into the ground, and let the train do it together as a team. Watch the dirt in front of my gate, make sure that it's flowing in. Up. Looks like we'll shift her up, put her in the big hole, and off we go. Slight downgrade, nothing to hit 26.7 miles an hour. Smooth ride. Over here. Usually run through the fill area on third, motor pin. Up to drive. Swing around the ag tractor. Get my ejector retract.
Thank you for experiencing K-Tec's virtual ride-along. To apply for a free on-site scraper demonstration, please visit ktec.com.